Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore accounting entries in Xero using audit logs, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore accounting entries in Xero using audit logs, begin by logging into your Xero account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the Accounting tab. From the drop-down menu, select Advanced. In the Advanced section, find the Audit Trail option. Click on Audit Trail to access all logged entries. Review the list of transactions to identify the specific entry you wish to restore. Pay attention to the date and description to ensure you select the correct entry. Once identified, click on the entry to reveal more details. Note the changes made, along with the original details before the modification. Take a screenshot or write down the essential information for future reference. Now, navigate back to the Accounting section of Xero. Select the relevant section where the entry needs to be restored. If the entry was a bill, for example, go to Bills under Accounts Payable. Click on the New button to create a new entry. Input the details that correspond with the original entry as noted from the audit log. Check the amounts, dates, and any other necessary fields to match the original entry. Once all details are entered, review everything for accuracy. After confirming all details are correct, click Save to restore the entry. If required, add any additional notes or tags for context. To finalize, revisit the audit log to ensure the new entry correctly reflects the restored information. This method allows for accurate tracking and management of accounting entries in Xero. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.